Hello, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your activities each day. So after our morning meeting, you'll go to Schoology and you're going to find our course. So up here at the top is courses, and then you're going to find my picture right there, and then you'll come to this screen. So this is kind of going to be your main base. This is where you're going to find everything that you need. So to find the activities for each day, you're just going to click on the day of the week. So if it's Monday, you're going to click on the pink one. Tuesday is red. Wednesday is orange. Thursday is yellow. And Friday is green. So say today is Monday, we're going to click on the pink button. And from there, there's going to be a list of things that you'll have to do. Like this one says number 1. So that means that's your first activity for the day that you have to do. So you'll click on it, and there might be some video instructions to tell you what you have to do. So this is where you're going to find all of your materials. So let's kind of go over that one more time. Courses. You'll find our page with my face on it. And then you're going to click on the day of the week. Whatever the day of the week is, you're going to click on that button. And then you'll just follow each item. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll just do all of those. And that's it. So if you ever forget how to find your materials, you can come back to this video or watch it again, and always feel free to ask me if you have questions. And now that you know how to find your materials, you're going to click on the red arrow to go to the next page.